Alright, check this out. What we have here is a Mercedes G-Wagon 2016. Now what we've done on this vehicle is we fully retrofitted in factory style CarPlay onto the original system. So this car doesn't come with CarPlay, or was offered with it. It was never offered with it. So with our system, it integrates onto the factory stereo, and now when you press and hold the back button, switch over to the CarPlay system. You can use the original controller to control it. It's all wireless, so no wires are needed. Should you need to connect it through USB, you can still do provide a USB as well if you do want to connect it. So we can now use all the new up-to-date new features that weren't previously available. Navigate maps. All the sound comes to the original system as well. Oops, open up Waze. And you can always switch back to the original system by holding down the back button, and it will switch over. Also retains your reverse camera if you got a reverse camera as well. If you want this retrofitted on your Mercedes G-Class, give us a shout. Covers our car sound security. Alpha Cancel IG263. Thanks for watching. See the link down below for your product, and make sure you like and subscribe.